BJP mounts Sheesh Mahal heat on the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP New Delhi has written a letter to Chief Minister Atashi saying that public inspection of Chief Minister's bungalow should be allowed. Prime Minister Modi had earlier said that Kejriwal built the Sheesh Mahal during COVID and cited the CAG report on bungalow splurge.
आतिशी जी को एक मैंने पत्र लिखा है और मैंने उसमें कहा है कि यहाँ की नई दिल्ली विधानसभा की जनता जहाँ पर उनके टैक्स का पैसा लगा, जहाँ पर उनके विकास का पैसा लगा, तो वो शीश महल को देखना चाहते हैं कि वो शीश महल कैसा बना। क्योंकि जब दिल्ली में पूरी तरीके से लॉकडाउन था, जब आदमी बाहर नहीं निकल पाता था, ये सारा शीश महल उसी दौरान ही बन रहा था। ये बहुत ही शर्म की बात है। तो मैं आतिशी जी को कहना चाहता हूं कि शीश महल को एक जो है पर्यटन स्थल वो उसको घोषित करें।
My colleague Piyush is tracking the story for us. Piyush, in terms of the details of this letter, besides asking for a public inspection, could you enlist what are the other things that the BJP Delhi unit has mentioned to Chief Minister Atashi?
Well, this is now coming in from BJP's Parvesh Sharma. Remember, Harshit, that he is also candidate from New Delhi constituency against Arvind Kejriwal and Sandeep Dixit. He is now writing a letter to Delhi sitting Chief Minister Atashi, where he is requesting her to open the doors of Chief Minister's residence, which is at 6 Flagstaff Road. Remember that today Prime Minister also said that, when people of Delhi were battling COVID in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party leaders were busy constructing Sheesh Mahal, and now BJP former MP in the New Delhi Assembly constituency candidate of BJP is now writing a letter to Atashi to open the doors of Sheesh Mahal so that people of Delhi can go and see what is there inside. And this is also coming at a time when there are serious allegations not only have been mounted by BJP but also PM Narendra Modi himself, where he said that the amount which has been spent on the construction of Sheesh Mahal is 3 times higher, which earlier it was being estimated.
Thank you so much, Piyush, for sharing all those details with us.